How to see deleted WhatsApp messages. So if you want to see deleted WhatsApp messages, then what you need to do is, it's not possible on iPhone, but if you have an Android device, then you'll be able to see the deleted WhatsApp messages. So what you need to do is just simply go with your settings at first. Under that, scroll down, go with notifications and control center, and then go with the app notifications. And here make sure that you turn on the notifications for your WhatsApp, and then make sure that you turn on the notification history. You will have an option of notification history, turn it on. Once you turn on the notification history, you need to tap on the notification history, and from there you can open up your WhatsApp, and then you will have all of the notifications that you have received on your WhatsApp or any other social media applications, and you'll be able to check the deleted message. But make sure that you've turned on the notification history option. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.